Hello everyone, this is Professor Hasselman, History 101 online, section 4129. And I've gotten a couple emails in response to the textbook for the course. Now, one of the things about this course is that the textbook is an open source textbook, meaning that it is free for you to use online and to download onto your computer, and you do not need to purchase a hard copy of the textbook. You can, but I would recommend just using the online sources and using it on your computer or on your iPhone or your iPad or another smart device. Now, I thought I would show you how to find this textbook in case you were having trouble with it. Now, the textbook can be found in several places online, in the course syllabus, as well as in each of the week's reading sections as you click on each of the modules for the course. So to find it in the syllabus, so right now we're on the home page of the course. We're going to click on the syllabus section, and the link to the textbook is located in the course syllabus. And so here is the link to the course syllabus. So if we click on this link, it opens up the course syllabus page. And the link that I provide here is the link to the actual textbook online, beginning with the first chapter. So if you click on this link and you open it, here you have the OpenStax website. And for our textbook, it's for our U.S. history textbook. It might take a minute to load in here. And it says a newer version is now available, so we'll click on that. And what it will do is it'll open up the textbook, and you can read it and scroll through the pages in HTML format. Now, to navigate this, you can click on this content section here, and you can click on that, and it'll open up all the chapters. So this week we're reading the first chapter. And if we click on this, we have the introduction, the Americas, Europe on the brink of change, and West Africa and the role of slavery. So let's begin with section 1.1. Now, you can keep this open on the side here, or you can close the contents and just have a larger screen available. So if you click on here, it has here a timeline kind of figure to open up the textbook, and then it's got your text right there as well as images, and you just keep scrolling down, learning about the material. Now, in the material, we've got some click and explore options that you can click on. You can view this, the University of Arizona Library Special Collections on some of the Mayan codices, as well as you can copy and paste any of these images. And then within the textbook, you have these My Story, or these little boxes of text that you'll be working on for your primary source journal in this course. So that's how you find the textbook online. And at the end of each section, you also have some questions, excuse me, a summary of the section, as well as some review questions that can help you make sure that you understand the material. Now, one of the things that I wanted to show you here at the very top of this screen, you can also click on this icon here, which is Get This Book. And you have the option to download it as a PDF, an e-publication, or an offline zip file. If you download the PDF version, it may take you to a page to ask you to make a donation, which you do not have to, and then it'll quickly download the file. Now it'll download the entire textbook, about 1,000 pages long. We'll only be using half the textbook in this class, but you can download it and you can print pages if you want. You can open it using your PDF viewer, and you can highlight and save the text. Now, a third option for this textbook, so you can view it online, download the PDF, and a third option is you can actually you can actually purchase the textbook as a $6 or $7 ebook to view in either iBooks or on an Android or an iPad. So I have a Mac, and so I use iBooks. And so here is the textbook downloaded onto my computer for, I think it was either $6 or $7. And you can scroll through this textbook like if you were turning the pages in a regular book. The other thing you can do here is you can view on the table of contents, go through the material. You can view the actual, and if you want to highlight any text. So for example, if I wanted to go to, let's see, chapter 1, and I'm reading through the textbook, and I find, this information here very important. I can click on this, highlight it, and then I can actually add a note, or I can save it, or I can highlight this. So I can hit the yellow, it highlights it, and then it puts it over here in a list of notes as I go through this book. So lots of great ways to do this. Now, if you go to the bookstore, there won't be a book available for you to purchase. There may be one later in the semester, but there should be a notice telling you that it's an open source textbook. So I hope this helps you guys out, and I hope that you can find the textbook. If you have any further questions, please let me know. I'll be posting this video will be up online for a while for you to navigate, and I look forward to getting to know everyone and reading through the rest of you guys' introductions.